How to improve the mental strength in table tennis during the competition. Here are my 3 quick tips to help you stabilize your thoughts in a tough situation. Mental strength is the key to win in a critical match, like in the deuce, 9-9 or 10-10.
无论是技术能力还是你的这种心理承受能力，都是要形成一个比较全面的一种这种怎么说呢，一种水平吧。因为毕竟技术好了，心态不行，可能到大赛的时候也会出现问题。你光心态好，技术没有到一定的水平，可能也不会跟对手形成一定的对抗。所以这种综合起来还是都要有很强这种能力。
You can hear that? Zhang Jike proposed to improve both techniques and mental strength. You need both in table tennis. Some players play very well during training, but plays badly during the real match. How to play well during the match? Yes, I have coached some young players like you, and I understand well the problem. Young players have mental weaknesses, and their performance during the match is not as stable as adult players. I can give you 3 tips to improve your mental. Number 1, forget the score. Number 2, slow down. And number 3, find better tactics. Number 1, forget the score. Don't think about the score of the set, as when you think about the score, you just want to finish the match and lose your concentration. Just play each point and say to yourself, I don't want to finish the match. I just want to finish this point. Number 2, slow down. Slow down the rhythm of the match. You may have many tools like drink water, talk with your coach, time out, sweep your hand, look far away. Slow down to regain your concentration. Number 3, find better tactics. In some situations, that is not your fault to miss the ball. It is just because the opponent has increased the quality of his shot, spin and speed. So if you continue to miss the ball, ask your coach to change the tactics. I recommend you to read this book, Get Your Game Face On Like the Pro, Mental Skill and Lifestyle Choice to Achieve Big Performance and Play Your Best Table Tennis by Dora Kurume and Kathy Toon. This book will help you get your game face so you can perform your best. You will achieve this by creating your own customized personal game face routine that you can execute between points. Through this, you will be able to play your best. But what if you are not satisfied with your best? What if you want to make your table tennis performance to higher new levels? Look at the score, it is 3-3 and the point is 12-11. Mental strength is the key to win in a crucial situation, not the techniques.